Nakauwi na ako. Michael, gising na. Say good morning to the guys.
Good morning to the guys.
Look at. Ayun, Michael food. Isang roll. Saging. Tapos pipino. Ito, akin to. Sira. Tapos lugaw. Actually, lugaw to ng isang araw. Tapos naglaga lang ang itlog. Itong ating breakfast. Kain. Tingnan. Nag-inquire ako ng electric bill namin kasi pwede mo siya makita sa sa Messenger lang. So yon, nag-inquire ako ngayon. Current month's bill amount 2,007 pesos, 0.3. 2,000 lang? Kasi yung bill namin sa Cabanatuan laging umaabot ng 3,000, 4,000 ganun. Tapos yung consumption namin ay 285 kilowatts. Kasi last month, yung bagong lipat kami like January hanggang December to January, like that. Yeah, December to January. Kaso January 12 kami lumipat dito. So every end of the month yung kanilang reading. Ang binayaran namin ay, how much did we pay? 500 pesos?
Yeah.
500 pesos yung binayaran namin. Tapos, eto, this month, whole month na kami na nagamit na namin yung isang buong buwan. 2,000. So mababa yung kanilang what do you call that? Ayun 488 last month, January. 488.36 yung binayaran namin. Tapos, February, bill, 2,000. Nakaka-amaze. So, mataas yung sa Cabanatuan. Right? The per kilowatts in Cabanatuan is high. That's why, huh? Ang mura pala dito sa Pampanga. So, yun lang. Na-amaze lang ako.
I'm beginning to think electricity in the way Bosea itself is high.
Yeah, it's high. Kasi talagang umaabot kami ng 4,000. May times nga na kapag summer, nagpa-5,000 kami. So, yun lang. Nakaka-amaze. So, lipat na kayo dito, guys. Mababa yung nila.
We have not
Electricity.
We have not changed our electric consumption habits.
Yeah.
And our bill is less than half of what it was in Cabanatuan.
Yeah, almost half. Less than? Almost half, huh? So, yun.
Well, our average bill is about 41.
Yeah.
And it's 2,000 here, so that's a little more. That's
Half.
less than half.
Than half. Spring roll, favorite ko ni Michael. So, hiniwalay ko to baka kasi hindi magkakasya yung aking wrapper. So, i-freezer ko na lang siya. Ito, tapos ito yung ating nabalo. 2, 4, 6. Tapos meron tayong ito nakasalang. Ito aming lunch. Michael.
They don't have a backup plan. And Jamie, you can get one of those.
Like it? Yummy?
Yes.
Eat. Come on, eat. Try. Show me. If you like it or not. That's the meatballs.
I know. Tell me it's good.
Kain. Nagdamo na kami. Tapos si nanay ko, kararating niyan, may dala siyang yung halaman. Ngayon, tinatanim niya na kasi baka mamatay daw kung bukas pa. Ba't tabi-tabi? Ito tong cake na to. Punch. 1 egg, milk, and water, and vegetable oil. Ito ko ilalagay.
That's a glass pan. 5 minutes.
Yan, oil. Milk, water, no. Finished product. Yan, antay na lang tayo ng lumago. Nilagyan niya ng mga bato kasi para hindi ihian ng mga aso at saka pusa. Kasi tingnan mo, yun na, may tae na nga agad eh. No? Pak. Ginagawang ihian-taihan yan ng mga pusa dyan eh. So, hinarangan ng nanay ko ng mga bato. Yan. Yan. Sana mabuhay sila. Kasi nagluluyot. Yellow green dyan kasi ay, ano daw yan, para sa fiesta. Kasi magpe-fiesta dito. So, nilagyan nila ng ganyan. Yellow at saka green. Parang symbol siya ni Sara Duterte at saka ni Aquino. Charot. Ganyan yung kulay. So, ganyan daw yan. Kasi preparation para sa fiesta. Yan. Marami yan hanggang doon. Hanggang sa may kalsada. So, magpapagrass cutter kami dito banda. Actually, nilinisan namin to kahapon ni nanay ko. Binawasan namin. Tapos, andito yung ating sunugan ng basura. Kasi, actually, dapat doon yan. Natatakot kasi kami baka nakawin. So, dinikit na lang namin dito. So, pag magsusunog ako ng basura, ililipat ko na lang doon. Iuusog ko. Tapos, magpapagrass cutter kami dyan. Yan. Kasi, tingnan mo naman. Ang taas na ng mga damo. Yan.
My guess is the circuit board probably went bad.
Pag ito yung pinagtanggalan, wala pintura. Pipiturahan na naman.
Hayaan mo na siguro kuya. Wala naman yung problema. Para sa amin, walang problema yan. Kung walang pintura dyan. Diba?
Papapalit lang nito yung driver lang.
Yellow, black, Michael. Where are you going?
Probably going to hell. Don't choose my ways.
Careful ah. You have funds. Lipat na siya dito guys kasi ito muna yung kanyang computer room for 1 month. Nililipat niya yung kanyang laptop dito. Diyan siya mag-stay kasi mahirapan siyang mag-akyat baba kasi naka-wheelchair siya. So siniset up niya na. Sa pagbalik namin ng Friday ay dito na siya. Mother Lily. So, ito yung magiging room ni Michael for 3 days.
Hopefully just 2 days. Well, yeah, hopefully just 2 days.
Yan siya.
Where's my
Operahan na yung kanyang paa. This is standard room, right?
This is the standard room.
Yeah.
And as soon as a small opens, they're going to move me into a small, so don't get too comfortable.
Yeah.
And if you figure this is a standard, the small only barely has room to fit the bed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me sit down for a minute. Let's see what kind of signal.
Here, your insulin here. They have a fridge here.
Yeah, it needs to go into the fridge.
There's some mineral water.
Don't take any of those.
I know,
I'm
because you
guessing it's just like a hotel room.
yeah, you gotta pay those. Oh, there's a TV.
It should be a little brighter here.
It's the toilet. There's a hot shower. Yeah, that's that. What is that? The other side. The love, what is that?
What is what?
Window, pantry. Hey,
Fake window.
fake window.
It's actually a real window, but it's covered and everything.
Okay. So dito siya
It's
opera.
probably the code that there has to be.
Yeah. Ito yung insulin ni Mike yan. So, lalagyan natin siya dito.
And
Yeah, dyan. Itong baon na banana, apple, tsaka peras, tas 2 boiled egg. Yan yung aming hapunan mamaya. Hindi na kailangan lumabas. Yan. Lagyan na natin siya dyan. Yan.
Emissions kit.
Emissions kit. What is that?
I have no clue. I
Then,
don't know
okay. What is that?
There's a letter that I can't read about my glasses.
Mm-hmm.
There's,
What is that?
I have no idea. I have no idea what that is.
There's a label. There's dental kit. Di niya kasi mabasa yun. Wala siyang salamin. Dental kit, probably toothbrush. Oops, what is this?
So,
It's a bath soap.
yeah, but,
Sabon na maliit. Ang cute.
you know, washcloth. Okay.
Washcloth.
That
Okay,
is-
washcloth.
I'm guessing this is
What is this?
soap.
Another soap?
You know, probably one's
No, conditioner.
you know,
It's a conditioner. And yeah, this one is a bath soap. What's the other one? It's a shampoo bar. What's that?
I don't know.
Comb. Ooh, you need to comb your bald. You need to comb your bald.
Comb my bald hair. Okay.
Yes.
And I'm guessing that's a toothbrush.
Yeah, that's a toothbrush for you. Thank you, St. Luke's.
Okay.
Let's see, what is that food? It's soup, I guess. And then complimentary health note.
What is that?
It's just a liquid. Maybe you're gonna taste it first so that you know. See, hindi ko alam to. Natatanggal pala.
You never watched hospital shows or anything?
No, no.
No, see these. Yeah.
Maybe if you give me 30 minutes, I can think about it. That I've seen that before in the show. Okay, try that. What is that?
I don't. Where's this?
Here it is coming from. Parang ano to? Sayote yata.
Is that part of the
Chicken.
we already ate
Right.
lunch.
Yeah, we ate lunch already. Complimentary health notice. This juice is intended for patients without dietary restriction. Okay. Try that.
It's a
Try. It's
broth.
just broth.
It's a broth.
Maybe chicken.
Yeah. It's
Chicken.
chicken broth with no
This
salt.
one is, I think this is melon.
Chicken broth with no salt.
This is good.
Here, try.
I'm
Try.
Yummy. Walang salt. As in chicken broth lang.
Bland.
Because they are careful on food, Food for diet. Diet for the patient.
There's so many different dietary restrictions with patients that it's easier and more economical for them just to cook one type of meal, and that's a bland. And it's pretty bland.
Okay, they have a paper here. Cardiac diet. Cardiac, heart healthy, diabetic diet. Lunch. R&D, please consume by. What is this? Not intended for patients with diet restriction. It's actually nice because there's a rice, so that's not actually for you. Just the chicken and the veggie. Let's see, how's the food?
Hospital food.
No taste, blunt taste, not salty, which is good. So
It's pretty bland.
basically, you're not gonna eat the rice because diabetic person. Here, how about here, the watermelon? Eat the melon fruit. That's a rice. What's the taste of the rice then? Taste rice. No, I don't want. I ate.
It's simple. This is the gown that I gotta wear. Okay. I'm keeping it folded until this is the sterile pillow. Probably gonna need
It's new. No need to remove the plastic, I guess. Just like the pillowcase.
No, you take the plastic is so you know it's clean and sterile.
No, but that's why it's expensive, huh? Everything is sterile.
Yeah, see, there's
Let's
nice paper. Here's a nice paper. Read it.
We provide this pillow of your utmost comfort during your confinement. We are happy for you to take it home. Oh, free of charge. However, please note that the pillowcase remains the property of the hospital. It is not available for sale or to be taken home to maintain our high standard of hygiene and infection control. Thank you. Oh, you can take home the pillow. Yay, thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So it's free, the pillow. Just the pillowcase cannot, okay? Because there's a name on it.
Yeah, like I really want a pillowcase that says St. Luke's on it.
How about the blanket?
Same with the blanket. Blanket has St. Luke's on it, so the blanket will stay. Like, so they wanted to make sure. They wanted to make sure I got my lunch.
3 o'clock. Nag-check-in kasi kami mga ano na eh.
We got
Like
sheet.
2 p.m.
I haven't slept with a sheet since I've been in the States.
What is that?
This is the security blanket. It's just it's a light blanket. So
Maybe that's my blanket then.
no, what we'll do is we'll ask if we can get an extra blanket for you.
No need. I have my pajama.
Then we might ask to get an extra blanket for me because I don't think this is gonna be thick enough.
Then turn off the AC then.
Well, we'll turn it up a little higher. It's on 21 right now. We use 23 at home.
So that it's not cold later tonight. So ready na siya. What are you preparing? Are you gonna sleep?
I might lay down for a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. Bukas pa yung kanyang surgery, guys. 2 p.m. So
2 p.m.
it's
tomorrow.
3 p.m. right now. Yan, 3 p.m. So mahaba-haba pa yung oras namin dito. Ayan. So, ito ako nang uubos nito.
What is that?
Kasi ayaw niya na. Trash can. Oh, they have a trash can here. May trash can. Tapos ito yung toilet. Tapos meron silang ganito. Ayan. Chart plan of care. Okay. Tapos meron silang ganito. Sanitize your hand. Ito yung aming room 3403.
You know what?
Oh. Touch. Sana all touch screen. What is that? Ooh. It's automatic. I wanna ride.
That lowers
Let me ride.
That lowers the bed, gets it closer to the ground, and this raises it.
Oh, that's so fancy.
This lifts. This lifts the front.
I like that vehicle.
Yeah, I can make it. Try to make it as comfortable as possible. Where's my?
Wala ng tsinelas. Buti na lang may tsinelas dito. Pack. Gamitin natin ito. Pack. Yeah. Michael, pero bawal siya kumain ngayon. Kasi mag-check pa siya ng sugar. Ito yung pagkain niya. 5:30 pa lang sinerve na. Sobrang init ng rice. Ako na naman ang kakain yan. Tapos merong gulay. Tapos, I think that's chicken. 1 piece with carrot. Tapos ito, broth. It's what do you call this? Taho. What's taho? And mango. Not taho. Anong tawag? Tokwa. Soy. Soy, tokwa, tofu. Yan. Buksan niya. Ito yan siya, guys. May tofu. Mainit pa. Pero lalamig ito mamaya. Tutulog si Michael. Did you like it? Don't eat the tofu, just the soup. Ito yung baon naming peras. Yan. Tapos ito yung serve nilang mango. Tapos ito yung kanina. Ako kakain nito kasi matamis to. Ayaw niya yan. Tapos ito yung food. Huh?
My last meal until tomorrow night.
Then you're gonna eat then. What's the taste? Hey.
Carrot?
Yeah.
You want to bite?
No, you eat.
What?
You gotta eat. Ito yung binigyan si Michael nito. Kailangan niyang maligo ngayon, 8 p.m. at saka bukas ng 7 a.m. para ito yung gagamitin niyang sabon. Para matanggal yung mga bacteria. Ayan, antiseptic. So, tingnan natin. Ito. Ito. Ito yung tsura niya. Ayan. Ito para lang to sa katawan. Hindi kasama yung sa ulo, sa buhok. Kasi sobrang tapang daw nito. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang pinakasabon. Ito yung isasabon niya sa katawan. Sa mukha hanggang dun sa may sugat na kailangan i-surgery. Tapos, ito yung sponge. Pagkatapos niya maligo, ito yung gagamitin niya. Bawal siya gumamit ng tuwalya. Dalawa. Ito sa ngayon, gabi. Tapos ito para bukas. Yan. EcoBat sponge. Yan. Tapos, nag-request si Michael nito. Yan. Kasi sa gabi, may time na naiihi siya. Urinal. Hindi agad-agad siya nakakatayo diretso sa higaan kasi nga ay nilalagay niya yung kanyang prosthetic leg. So, natatagalan. So, kailangan meron siyang ganito. Actually, meron siyang ganito sa bahay. Container ng ihi. So, yan. Yan. Katapos namin naghapunan. Ito ako kumain ng rice. Ito yung kinain niya. Tsaka yung konting sabaw. Tsaka yung peras na dala namin. Ako kumain ng mangga kasi sobrang tamis niya na ako nang kumain. Yun.
And then there's whatever that's.
I'm not gonna eat that rice. Where you can get the water.
For what? What is that? Coffee?
Non-fat milk.
Hmm?
Non-fat milk powder.
Save it. Take it home. You sure this isn't coffee? Yeah, it is.
No.
Okay.
And then there's I think that's papaya.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to call Steve here in a couple minutes.
You ate the chicken and then what else?
That's it.
Chicken?
Like 4 pieces of chicken, 4 like nugget-sized pieces of chicken.
4 a.m. Breakfast na siya kasi 5 a.m. din na siya pwedeng kumain. So, yan. Binigay sa kanya ay rice and chicken. Chicken kinain niya yung rice. Siyempre hindi niya yung kakainin kasi mataas yan sa sugar. Ayan. So, ito binili ko sa 7-Eleven. Kinain niya. Right? Tapos, ito ibibigay ito sa kanya. Ayan.
Basically, what this is.
Back is 5 a.m. Yeah. Oh, 5 a.m. And then, that's Michael. 5 a.m. Nakakain na siya ng breakfast. So, kasi, I think 6 a.m. lalagyan na siya noon. Actually, dextrose yan. Kasi para, meron, yung dextrose na yan ay meron yan sugar. May fructose. Sugar. Dextrose. So, meron yan sugar and water and gamot. Para hindi bumagsak yung kanyang sugar. So, yan. Ka-breakfast na siya. Andun yung mga pinagkainan. Hindi pa nakukuha. So, mamaya, pag nalagyan na siya niyan dextrose, hindi na yan siya pwedeng tumayo. Yan. Hindi na siya nakahiga. So, mamayang hapon pa yung kanyang surgery. Mga 2 p.m. pa. So, ganyan lang. And, nanood kami ng TV. Yan. Deal or no deal. Yan. Ito, toilet yan. CR yan. Yan. Michael. What is this, lab?
This is an IV.
So they're gonna put the dextrose in there.
Yeah, it's pumping in right now. At least I think it is. Wait a second. No, nothing's coming in right
That's
now.
the connection
These
for
are the
your
connect-
dextrose.
These are the connections. This is just the needle right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then, ito yung operahan sa kanya. So, ito yan. Hindi kasi siya nagsasara. Parang merong yellowish. Ayan yung tatahiin. So, yan. Ayan yung kanyang putol na paa. Yan. 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 Diyan yan ikakabit. Dito ikakabit. Yan, mga connection. Yun, so yung tatahiin sa kanya ay simula pa kasi yun ng December hanggang ngayon March, hindi na siya nagsasara. So, diabetic kasi si Michael. So, kailangan niyan i-surgery, ipatahi, kasi ay hindi siya safe na meron siyang open wound doon sa kanyang pinagputulan. Kasi nga diabetic siya. So, pwedeng ma-infect, magkaroon ng bacteria, pasukan ng bacteria, kasi nga ay bukas siya. So, kailangan siyang tahiin. Hindi siya totally nagsasara, katulad ng sa normal na tao na walang diabetes, na nagsasara agad yung sugat. Yung sa kanya ay hanggang ngayon, ilang buwan na, hindi pa din nagsasara. So, kailangan ng i-surgery. So, ganun. Right? Ayan siya. So, 5:30, I think, ilalagay alas 6 ng 6 a.m. Ilalagay yung kanyang dextrose. Kasi para yun maagapan yung pagbagsak ng kanyang sugar. Kasi nga, fasting na siya. Kumain siya kanina mga 4 a.m. And up until later, yung surgery niya na 2 p.m., bawal na siyang uminom and kumain. Uminom ng tubig, kahit ano. Like, wala na talaga siyang dapat ipasok sa katawan niya na pagkain. So, naka-fasting. So, yun yung gamit ng dextrose. Kaya meron siyang dextrose para maiwasan yung pagbagsak ng kanyang sugar. Kasi nga, katulad sa kanya, na diabetic and nag-insulin. So, iniiwasan yun na hindi bumagsak yung sugar. Kasi, syempre, kapag bumagsak yung sugar, pwede ka mahilo and pwede ka madedo pag hindi yun naagapan. So, yun. Kaya meron dextrose. Time check now is 8:45. Kagagaling lang ng nurse dito. Kasi meron siyang nilagay na, what's that medicine?
Anti-throw up medicine.
Anti-throw up. Kasi naka-fasting siya, di ba? So, wala na siyang food hanggang mamaya. So, actually liquid lang. Dito pinadaan sa IV. IV?
Yep.
So, what's the meaning of IV?
Intravenous.
Intravenous. Diyan pinadaan yung liquid para mapunta sa kanyang tiyan. Yung gamot na yun ay para hindi umakyat yung acid, para hindi siya sumuka, mag-vomit. Kasi nga ay wala siyang food intake.
So it would be bad to throw up when I'm unconscious and they're pumping knockout gas into my lungs.
Yeah, so yun. Maya't maya, merong nurse na pumapasok. Chine-check yung kanyang Actually, pangatlong nurse na to. Maya't maya, merong nag-check sa kanya. So, bago siya nilagyan nung gamot, ay chine-check mo na yung kanyang, dito sa tenga, kung meron siyang lagnat, so 36, normal. Tapos, kinukuha yung kanyang oxygen, yung oximeter. So, 99 and 65 yung pulse. Tapos, yung kanyang blood pressure, so far, very good. 120/80. Consistent. Kasi last night, kagabi, ay yung kanyang blood pressure is 120/. What's your blood pressure last night?
120/70.
Yeah, 120/70. So, sobrang normal dito. Ewan ko ba bakit pagdating dun sa Pampanga, yung hospital dun, nag-go 140 yung kanyang BP dun. Yung kasi bin-BP siya dun ng doktor. I think, 2 doktor yung nag-BP sa kanya. Mataas. 140/90 lab. 140/90 when we was in Pampanga.
Yeah.
So, yun ko, nagtataka ako. Pero dito, ang dami kahit yung doktor na magsa-surgery sa kanya ngayon, binibipi din siya, 120/80, normal. Tapos yung mga nurse kagabi, ganun din, 120/80, may 120/70. So, ewan ko ba, nagtataka lang kami. Kaya eto si Michael, parang ano na siya dito, mas gusto niya dito. Ang tawag ito, komportable siya dito kasi para sa kanya mas okay yung result dito kaysa dun sa Pampanga. Kaya nandito kami. Mas pinili niya dito magpa-surgery kaysa sa Pampanga. Which is, yun sana sa Pampanga yung malapit sa amin. Pero, mas ano daw siya dito, mas feeling safe daw siya dito. Kaya, andito kami sa St. Luke's. So, ang biyahe namin dito is like 1.5 an hour kapag hindi traffic. So, okay lang naman. Sorry. Operating room. Good luck. Fight, fight, fight. Okay, you can do it. Okay. Ando na si Michael sa operating room, 1:40 p.m. Ayun, so alas 2 yung kanyang operation. And then, depende, after nun sa operation ay pupunta siya sa recovery room. Like for 1 to 2 hours, depende daw sa sa response ng katawan niya. Kung mabilis siyang maging okay, so dadalhin na siya dito. So, ganun. So, ngayon ang gagawin ko ay kakain. Hindi pa ako nagtatanghalian. And aga namin nag-almusal kanina, around 4 a.m. dahil nga ay magpa-fasting si Michael. So, yun. Ito, bumili ako ng pagkain sa 7-Eleven. Ang kagandahan dito kasi yung 7-Eleven ay nasa baba lang ng hospital. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo, lumabas. So, nasa kabilang building lang. So, yun. Meron akong tanghalian ngayon. Ito, ang binili ko chicken roll. Ito. Charot. Oh, bumaliktad. Ito, isang chicken, tapos rice, gravy. Bon appetit! Room. Wala yung bed kasi nasa operating room si Michael. So, ako lang andito. Merong TV, may air condition. Ito, lagayan to ng pagkain. Meron dyan pabintana, pero hindi namin yung ginalaw. Tapos, may couch. Dyan ako natutulog. Kagabi dyan ako natulog. Ayan, may tulugan yung bantay. Tapos, ito ay parang intercom to para sa nurse station. Pwede mong makausap. And ito, meron phone. Tapos ito meron dito, pwede kang mag-order ng food. Yan. Pa-room service. Yan. Tapos, meron lap gown. May drawer. Cabinet. Tapos cabinet. May fridge. Ito yung pinaligo ni Michael. Antiseptic. Tapos ito free na admission kit. Tapos ito yung fridge. Yan. Ito, ginagamit ko ito pang hiwa ng apple. Meron tayong apple at pears dyan. Yan. Tapos ito itlog. Yung baon ko pang itlog. Tapos ito yung cabinet. Yan. Tapos ito yung door. Malawak yung door. Tapos ito yung free sanitize. Yan. Yan. May alcohol dyan. Tapos meron silang clock. Tapos may trash can. Ito yung lagayan ng dextrose ni Michael. So, yun lang. Tapos, ito yung toilet. Meron dyan. Ayan. Ayan yung toilet. Ayan. Ayan. May mirror. Tapos, meron dito handle for PWD. Katulad ni Michael, sobrang helpful niyan. Tapos, may handle din doon. Tapos, meron siyang shower chair, nakabalot sa plastic. Kasi nag-request ako ng shower chair kasi nag-shower si Michael. And sabi nila, hindi daw sila nagpapagamit ng plastic, lalo kung PWD kasi hindi daw yun safe. So, ito ay bakal. Yan. Tapos, basta binalutan na lang nila ng garbage bag para hindi mabasa. So, yan. So, merong hot and cold shower. And ito yun. Tapos, towel, trash can. Yan. Tapos, syempre, may tissue. Tapos, meron dito, yan, pull the string in case of emergency. Tapos, merong exhaust fan. So, yan. I think ito ay Lagayan to ng dextrose, I guess. Kapag dadalhin mo yung dextrose mo, yun dyan may sasampay, siguro. Hindi ko lang sure. Basta nakalagay siya dyan sa may pinto. Yun, kasi si Michael, pag nagsi-CR, pinapatanggal namin sa nurse. So, tinatanggal nila. So, ito lang yung room for 4,000 pesos a day. Ayan. Here. Welcome back. Yay.
You look familiar.
Do you know me?
You look familiar.
Do you know me? Say the password.
I don't know, but you're really cute.
Really?
Yeah.
How come my camera is dark? Do you know me then?
Well, you look like a cute Filipina.
Kid Filipino, what's the password then?
What's the password? Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.
You know, what time the surgery started?
He was late.
What time?
He got stuck in traffic. They didn't start pumping me through Happy Juice until 3 o'clock.
Oh, and then the recovery room called me around
We were
5.
talking about, I remember we were talking about music. We were talking,
It's high.
I know.
Then how are you gonna eat if it's high?
Simple. I'm going to take my insulin. I'm going to eat.
Okay. You must be hungry because your last meal was 4 a.m. Okay. Let me see.
I'll tell you what I do.
Michael, taking your food. No more rice. It's a potato. Mashed potato. Thank you. Kasi ayaw niya talaga ng rice. So they make mashed potato for you.
Cold.
Yeah. They made it earlier. Because they don't know. Okay, we have a papaya here.
I don't want papaya. I don't need any.
Then I'm gonna eat it then. Good.
Food. That looks like pork.
Chicken, I guess. Okay, guys. Anong ganito pad? They changed your blanket.
Yeah, it's warmer.
Yeah, yan na siya. There's a pepper. There is. Michael is here, guys. Successful surgery. Okay. Ito na yung kanyang paa. Show your leg. Yay. You have a blood here. Yan. Yan. Kanyang paa. You okay? You're feeling pain?
I feel some twinges, but it's okay.
Okay.
They gave me some. They gave me some Tramadol.
The medicine?
Tramadol is a pain medication.
Okay. So you're okay now. You're not feeling dizzy?
Wasn't feeling dizzy before. Just feeling.
Do you still remember me?
Cute Filipina,
Okay. Do you still remember yourself?
ugly American.
Okay, good. This is the breakfast of Michael. Banana. And 1/4 milk powder. Stevia. Oh, they give you stevia. Wow. Yesterday, there's no sugar, stevia. Okay. The banana has been eating. And this is tomato.
What is that? Beans?
Beans. Okay. Oh. What is this?
Egg white.
Potato, I guess.
That's egg white.
Cholesterol, huh? This is good. They remove the red one. See it? What is that? Sweet potato, I guess. Or potato, they fry it.
Kind of like hash brown.
Yeah, hash brown. Is it this one? Let me see. They remove the... Yeah, they remove the red one. The yellow part.
They remove the yolk.
Yeah, yolk. Okay. What is that? Chicken. Always chicken.
Chicken's a cheap meat.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I like chicken.
It's water. Just drink water. Water is good for you. Okay. Mac and cheese. AM snack. And water. That's it. Michael, serve 11 a.m. Orange soup. Chicken. Yeah, that's chicken. Potato, carrot. And water. Sabi nila, kailangan 11 a.m. makapag-check out na kami. Like, bayad na kami ng 11 a.m. kasi pag lumagpas ng 11 a.m. ay matcha-charge kami ng 1 day. So, ganun yun. Ganun ka. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa sila tapos sa papers ni Michael. So, nag-aantay kami. Nagpunta na ako doon. Actually, nakabayad na ako ng doctor's fee kasi separate yung doctor's fee. Nagpunta na ako ng clinic ng doctor. Yun, binigay ko yung bayad dun sa secretary. Tapos, separate kasi yung bayad para sa hospital, yung hospital bill. So, inaantay ko pa. Sabi ko, baka mamaya pag nag-11, i-charge nila kami. Sabi ko, kanina sa nurse station ay, huwag nyo na kaming i-charge ha, basta mag-check out kami ng 11. Kasi, di ba, mahirap na. 3,000, 4,000 kaya yun, ang 1 day. So, yan, kumakain na si Michael ng lunch. Ang aga ng lunch. Pero dahil baka kasi mag-check out na siya, so, pinakain niya na siya ng kanyang lunch. So, okay lang. Para diretso biyahe na kami. Hindi niya na kailangan kumain mamaya. Hindi siya magugutom sa biyahe. Ayun. So, hindi na siya nagbihis kasi sabi niya, yung damit niya, sabi niya, ba't pa ako magbibihis? Pauwi naman na tayo. Tsaka sa naman tayo sa sakyan. Hindi naman tayo magbabas kasi usually nagbabas lang kami. Pero this time kasi hindi niya kailangan, hindi pwedeng gamitin yung paa niya. Kailangan niya i-relax yung kanyang paa. So, nag-arkela na lang kami ng sasakyan. Pauwi ng Pampanga, which is 3,000 pesos papunta doon. So, 2 hours away lang naman yun from Manila. And then, yung hospital bill namin ay umabot ng 90,000. 90,000 for 3 days. And separate pa yung bayad ng doctor at saka ng anesthesiology. Yung binayaran ko doon ay 38,000. So, separate yung payment nila. 38 plus 90,000. Agoy. Bankrupt. Bankrupt si Kano. Ayan. So, yan talaga hirap hirap magkasakit. Pero ano mo yun. So, nandito naman lahat ng mga kailangan niya. Komportable siya. So, wala siyang reklamo. So, yun lang. Yung sa hospital bill. Napakamot siya. Napakamot siya kanina na nakita niya. So, yun. So, waiting na lang kami ng papel para makapagbayad ako doon sa sa cashier station, sa billing station. So, yun. Update later. Guys, nakabayad na kami. And ready for checkout na. So, time check ay 12:15 p.m. So, pwede pa kami magstay ng mga ilang minuto kasi nakabayad naman na kami. So, naka-declared na kami na for checkout. So, yun. Mag-aayos lang ako ng gamit namin. And, uwi na. Uwi na kami. You okay? You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yun. Natanggal na yung kanyang IV. Wala na. So, ayan. Naantay din kami ng aming sasakyan. So, nag-arkela lang ako ng grab car. So, mga 1 o'clock, darating siya. Ayan. Thank you.
Sir, K00. Pag may clearance na bibigyan ng sa station.
Nothing. Charge na. Ayan.
You remember this, don't you? Yeah, you remember this. Yeah, you remember this.
Yeah, Casey. What's Daddy? Hey, did you meet Daddy?
I'm broke, aren't I?
Broke. We're home, guys. Casey is happy. Puppy dog is happy. Where's Daddy? Come on, come on. Go around her. Look at She wanna ride.
You alright? You alright? Yay! Stay here. Let's ride. Yeah.
Whoop.
Oh, we got turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
That's Lola.
Almost lost you.
Hey, oop! You're gonna drop. Uwi na si nanay ko. Lantay ng bus, walang bus. Breakfast. Ayan, magkahiwalay ang aming kawali. Ito kay Michael. Ito sa akin. Kasi, yung itlog ko, isa lang. Tapos, nilalagyan ko lang to ng cinnamon powder. Tapos, hindi ako naglalagay ng gatas. Sa kanya kasi, merong gatas. Konting milk. Tapos, dalawang itlog. Tapos, cinnamon powder. Yan. Hindi ako naglalagay ng asin kasi meron akong nilalagay. Ito. Hindi na ako naglalagay ng asin kasi ito, longganisa to, isang piraso. Pinaghahati ko, syempre mas marami yun sa kanya. Kaya dahil nga ito, meron na tong seasoning, so hindi na ako naglalagay ng asin dun sa itlog. So ito na yan siya. So hindi yan kumakain si Michael ng walang karne. Yun, kailangan may karne. Tapos ito, lettuce, iniibabaw ko to sa itlog niya kapag malapit nang maluto yung itlog, lalagay ko kasi kailangan ng gulay. Tapos ito naman sa akin, ito, spinach. Dalawang perasong bilog. Tapos, ito, pipino, asin lang to, konting asin. Tapos, ito yung aking mga pangsangkot siya. Nilalagyan ko ng bell pepper para mas malasa, mas maraming gulay, mas maganda. Tapos, ito, sibuyas, yan yung aking panggisa. Tapos, ito, dalawang slice ng cheese kay Michael. Ito sa akin, isa lang. Bawal ako ng sobra-sobrang cheese. Kailangan konti lang. Tapos, ito, saging. Ayan. Kailangan may saging tuwing umaga para complete nutrients. So, yan. So, yan. Luluto na ako. Mesa na to sa taas kasi doon na ako kakain sa taas. Dahil wala na si nanay ko, umuwi na. So, sasabay na kami ni Michael pagkain. Yung pagkain ni Casey kasi doon na rin yan siya sa taas kumakain. Hindi yan kumakain pag walang hindi niya nakikita si Michael na kumakain. Ganon. So, dadalhin ko na rin yung pagkain niya sa taas. Yung ginagawa naming mix ng food, rice, tapos gulay, tapos karne. Tapos hinahaluan ko ng gamot. Yung kanyang vitamins. Kasi hindi yan siya nagtitake ng vitamins niya kapag yung diretso sa bibig niya, ayaw niya. Kaya ngayon, ito yung naisip namin. Hinahalo na lang namin sa pagkain niya para makukonsume niya yung gamot niya. Ayan. So, ito na yun.
What's that, Casey?
Food delivery! Food delivery! Come on, eat!
Yay.
Yay.
Are you going to eat with me or stay down?
Yes, we can eat together.
Casey, come in. Come in. Come in.
Food delivery! Okay, Casey food! Yay! And that's my food, and this is my lemon, warm lemon. And this is Casey water. No, there's a water there? Yeah, there is. Okay, let's eat. Bon appetit, Casey. Look. Come on here. Eat. Gugutom. Eat. So, we're gonna eat. Kain tayo, guys. Kit ka. Tignan mo, kumakain na siya. Pag andito sa taas, kasabay ni Michael, kumakain yan siya. Kain tayo. Kumakain na yung asidog. Tapos na.
About raising daughters.
Insulin delivery. Insulin delivery.
What?
Insulin delivery. You forget that, huh? And water delivery.
We got one right there and there.
No, I'm gonna change that. Kasi hindi yan malamig eh.
Why are you gonna change it?
Because I'm gonna change it. So that you have cold water.
By the time I drink it, it won't be cold.
Cold now then. Drink now then. Curry lunch, chicken, and isang potato. This is my seasoning. Food delivery. You okay? Mabang. Come on. Hey. Food delivery. Okay. Okay. Still hot?
Thank you. Where is she?
She's there.
Casey, go potty. Go potty. No, he's gonna take you potty.
Come on. Meatloaf. Sweet.
These jobs are pretty much always hiring because most people don't even know they exist. So let me show you 9 remote jobs that might put you to sleep, but will
Wake
definitely
up.
wake up your bank account. And the best part, these
Wake
positions
up.
literally can't hire people fast enough.
Ako ng pagkain ng aso. And meron ako dito spinach, pepino, tapos carrots. Yan. Tapos green peas. Yan. Yan yung gulay. Tapos, ito yung kanyang rice. Actually, 4 na cups yan. Yung 1 cup akin. Yan. Hinahalo ko din yan sa kanin. Hinahaluan ko yung kanyang dog food. Tapos, meron tayo ditong chicken. Pinakulo ko lang. Walang seasoning. As in chicken lang. Kasi himayin ko yan. Ihalo ko din yan sa pagkain niya. Tapos, ito, ground beef to. Lulutuin ko lang siya sa apoy, walang mantika, walang seasoning. Tapos dito, i-grind ko yung mga gulay kasi kailangan maliliit. As in, pinong-pino kasi bawal sa aso yung matitigas. Mahirapan siya mag-digest kasi matanda na siya. Nahimay ko na yung chicken at saka naluto ko na rin yung beef, ground beef. Tapos itong sabaw, isasabaw ko doon mamaya. Nilalagay ko dito yung sabaw mamaya kapag naluto na yung mga gulay. Ayan, so lulutuin ko muna yan. Mix lang.
Really long community inflations, 16 is throughout the world. Really long community inflations. And I can satisfy material by legal system.
Ano tayo sa Shopee. Explain tayo na to. Okay. I'm excited. Ito, sobrang kailangan to ni Michael. Kasi nag-request siya ng para pag naliligo siya. Kasi doon madulas yung sahig. Di ba? Tapos yung isa na lang yung paa niya na gumagana. Tumatalon-talon yan siya dun sa CR. Parang umiindak. Ano ba tawag doon? Basta nag-hap. Yun. Sabi niya, parang madulas daw yung sahig. So, sabi ko, oo nga, delikado. Delikado para sa'yo. So, nag-order ako nito. Eh, nakita ko, ang ganda ng review nito sa Shopee. Ay, ang ganda. Quality siya, rubber, as in. But, can you hold it?
What is that?
Naglalaro siya. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa CR. It's a rubber man. So, ang ganda ng quality, makapal, mabigat. So, perfect to sa CR, ilalagay ko doon para meron siyang tatapakan. Dalawa in order ko. Yan. Yan. Ganyan lang. Actually, meron silang dalawa pang design. 3 design meron sila. So, ito yung pinili ko. So, yun. Kailangan ng rubber na tatapakan niya para hindi siya ma-aksidente. Tapos ito, yan. Kasi hindi nga pwedeng basain yung kanyang yung kanyang prosthetic leg. So, pag naliligo yan siya, tinatanggal niya. So, isang paa na lang yung gumagana. So, tumatalon-talon yan siya. Gusto ko yan tulungan, guys, pero ayaw niya yan magpatulong. Kasi sabi niya, eto yung routine ko. And as long as meron siyang hahawakan kasi mahawak siya sa pader, okay siya. So, sabi niya, wag mo akong tutulungan kasi kaya ko to. Ganun. Hinayaan ko na lang. Ngayon, nag-request siya ng rubber mat. Tapos ito, para kasi magdadamo ako sa likod, kailangan ko to. Kasi tumutubo na naman sila and nanghinayang kasi ako yung magpapaano ka, yung uupa ka, 500 kasi binabayad. So, sayang, di ba? Namamahalan ako sa kanya. Tapos, ano lang, isang buwan lang, mataas na naman yung yung mga damo. So, pag meron akong ganito, alam mo yun, araw-araw ko siya, mapuputulan. Tsaka sabi ni Michael, balak din niyang bumili ng yung the battery na grass cutter. Yun, para mas mabilis. So, ito lang muna. Na-try ko to. Ayan, grass cutter. Kasi nagtingin ako nito sa, sa grocery, sa mga store dyan sa labasan. Pag 300 siya, 300, 400. So, ito nakita ko, 170 lang, kasama na shipping fee. Ayan. Bagong siya, bagong oil, bagong langis. Sana hindi, no? Yan. Love, look! Love, look!
Okay.
Meron akong pang damo. Mukha namang mukhang quality.
Why?
Today is Friday. Follow-up check-up ni Michael sa kanyang doctor. Kasi, i-check up yung tinahi sa kanya.
More importantly.
What?
More importantly.
What important?
Today's opening day.
Huh?
Happy opening day, everybody.
Ayun, so opening day ng
Go Cubs, go.
ng baseball.
Go Cubs, go.
Football, baseball.
Baseball.
Oh, baseball. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, ang happening day is 80th birthday ni PRRD. 80th birthday ni PRRD sa kanya sa baseball, opening day. So, hindi siya makakapanood kasi nga ay paalis kami ngayon. So, nag-start daw yun mga around 10:30. So, yun, hindi siya makakapanood. So, very thankful kami kasi coding yung sasakyan namin. Hindi siya pwedeng i-drive papuntang Manila kasi nga di ba may huli-huli doon. So, yun. So, thankful kami kasi yung landlord namin, yung may-ari ng bahay namin ngayon ay actually tinanong ko siya kung okay lang sa kanya. Actually, siya yung tinanong namin kung pwede siya mag-drive. And umuo naman siya. Pero yun,
Bye-bye.
hindi kasi pwede yung sasakyan namin. So, meron siyang sasakyan. So, nag-oo naman siya. Gagamitin, arkilahin namin yung sasakyan niya. And sobrang mura ng siningil niya sa amin. So, thank you. So, very thankful kami kasi sobrang very, very tight talaga kami ngayon. And alam niyo naman, sobrang mahal ng pag-arkila ng sasakyan ngayon. As in,